Hi there, Alan Anthony here. What are we going to talk about in this video is with reference to the trading session times, right? As you would see on your screen here, we have 4 trading session times, all right? The London session, the New York session, the Sydney session, and the Tokyo session. Before we get started in this video, please like and subscribe to this video and click on the alert button so that we can continue to bring value to you and we can help you to become a successful trader. All right. So basically, with these 4 sessions that go on every single day, once again, you have the London session, the New York session, the Sydney session, and you have the Tokyo session. So there are times when each session overlap. As you see here, the London and the New York session basically overlap at a certain point. The overlap on the Eastern, basically on the London and the New York session, it's between the hours of 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. All right, Eastern Standard Time, right? If you see just above the chart there, you would see between 8 to 11. All right, so that overlap period, a lot of people take advantage of trading that overlap period because there's a lot of activity happening because you basically have 2 sessions happening simultaneously. All right, so that's like a famous or popular time for people to trade because you get a lot of movement. As you would probably know, volatility is what people look for. The more volatile the market is of course it's better to trade because you get fast movements, you make your money in and out with the bag, and of course you basically able to meet your target earlier than possible. In fact, as early as possible, you meet your target, and of course you go about your day. All right. With the other 2 sessions, you have Sydney and Tokyo sessions. You see, most these sessions here is basically they are more or less overlapping. In this instance, they are more or less overlapping together. So they run simultaneously, pretty much. Okay, so once again, with the London session, which basically starts at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right, and it goes up to about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, in the London session, you would basically trade currency pairs like the euro and Great British Pound. So basically, mainly the Great British Pound you would trade in that time, all right, or the euro dollar as well. In the New York session, your focus would be trading the US dollar. In the Sydney session, your focus would be trading, of course, the Australian dollar. And in the Tokyo session, your focus would be trading on the Japanese yen. All right. So these sessions, basically, you have your preference. You can choose whichever works for you. All right. My personal time is 3 a.m. at the start of the London session. And of course, I do also trade the overlap, which where you get a lot of movement, and then you can go about your day. Based on preference, of course. I mean, this market allows you to trade 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. So you can actually choose whichever time works for you, or you can basically choose to trade in the night if you're not available in the day, and vice versa. Okay, so these are the 4 sessions. These are the video on the trading sessions, and basically what we would do in the next video is to show you how you can use and determine the strength of the currencies on the various times. Okay, so I'm Alan Anthony. Remember to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.